fuzzy time! Hi kids, it's me Fuzz! Today, I thought we'd have a look at some of your drawings that you sent me. You guys have sent me so many awesome drawings. I want to take a look and tell you guys which ones are my favorite. Let's take a look now. Yay! Ooh, now that one's pretty nice. Oh, yeah, you really got my look down perfectly. Your orange, the fuzziness. Oh, let's take a look at another. Wow, now this is one of my all-time favorites. Look at the detail this guy put into this drawing. It's just so amazing. Let's see some more. Wow, look at that, guys. He drew me on his driveway. He probably spent all day doing this drawing. So amazing. Let's see some more. The artistic detail, so awesome! Oh, ooh, let's see another one. Whoa! Look at that, guys! They made me out of some Play-Doh! That's pretty neat! I like it when you guys make sculptures in me! So cool! Oh! Ooh! Now look at that one! That's me and my friends! Frizbee! Snowflake! Gergu! Check it out, guys! They drew all 4 of us! So neat!
Wow! Thanks for watching my show, pal!
Yeah!
This is the best!
You all make really great videos!
I searched everywhere, high and low, to see who out there wants some of the videos.
Hi, Bud.
Yay! How's it going?
Good.
Yeah? I heard that you like watching my videos. Is that true?
Yeah.
You do?
My favorite video was the Finding Dory
The
one.
Finding Dory? Why is that one your favorite?
I like when you told the story about when you came from Fuzztopia.
Yay! That's so funny!
Dad, you have a TV.
Because I have a TV.
Ow! I spanked you.
Oh, someone else wants to say hi to you, Fuzz, too. Zach, you want to say hi to Fuzz?
Yeah.
Come here.
Hey, Fuzz.
Who is it?
Me, Zach.
Okay, I get it. Let's see some more drawings. That doesn't look like me. It's okay. Nice try. Let's see some more. Yay! Woo! That's kind of scary. You guys have quite an imagination. Let's check out another one.
Junior, guess what?
You're gonna get him!
Guess what it's from? Look what it's from.
Oh, Fun Puppet 2 Demo Flint! Awesome!
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, let's open it!
Yeah. Fuzzy's awesome, isn't he?
Yeah, let's open it.
Whoa. can't wait to see what it is. Thank you, Fuzzy. Wow.
An angry bird.
Whoa. To Dane from Fuzz? Whoa. Can you read it for us, Junior?
Hi, Dane. Thanks, buddy, for being my bun fan. It was great talking with you on the phone. Hope you enjoyed the sift. Keep playing with toys, your pal. Fun. Cool.
Wow.
We just fixed our everything.
Neat.
Hi, Fuzzy. I have your package here. Thank you for it. And now I will open it for you. Yeah. It is kind of hard to open. Whoa! What's it? I got the Alexandrian!
Wow, that's awesome.
What did I got Fuzzy Puppet stickers! Wow! And what's in here? Does somebody give me the scissors?
What is, let me see.
Thank you, Fuzzy Puppet. I love you. What? Oh! Whoa! Hi there, it's me, Fuzzy Puppet. I really hope that you are having a great holiday.
You know what would be cool? If I drew you guys! That would be kind of neat, I think. But how do you draw? I think I need like a pen and some paper. I'll do it later. Let's get back to looking at your guys' drawings for now. Okay, I guess that kind of looks like me. You guys have quite an imagination. Very creative. Let's see some more. Yeah. Hobby. Do you guys have any other hobbies you could tell me about? Like making paper airplanes or collecting stamps. That's a good one. What are some more hobbies? Write me in the comments down below and tell me your hobbies. Yay! Want to send me one of your drawings, you can email it to me at info@fuzzypuppet.com, or you can send it to me through Instagram or Facebook. Ask your mom and dad to help you if you don't know how to do it, and then I'll show your drawing here on the show. Now we can take a look at some of the videos that you guys sent me. Those are a lot of fun too. Here, let's take a look. Check out this awesome flower, guys. Smells delicious. noise. That better not be what I think it is. Be right back. We need to use some magic. What was that spell again? Oh, I know. Make me into the greatest artist ever. That would be cool. Magic is so awesome. Don't you guys agree? I just love magic. You can do anything you can imagine. You know what this situation calls for, kids? Some bubbles! Wow! Bubbles is so cool!
You were totally awesome. I'm gonna be a bat.
What do you want to say to Fuzzy Puppet?
I want to be a bat when I grow up. My favorite video is your Angry Bird video and another one I said, I think.
And what do you think? How did you learn about Fuzzy Puppet for the first time? What did you think of him the first time?
Awesome. I was eager to watch all of your videos first.
You know what, guys? Like I said, I just love it when you send me your art. It's so fantastic, and it means so much to me that you guys watch my show and you draw awesome pictures. So go ahead and send me in some more. Remember, that email address again is info@fuzzypuppet.com. Send me your drawings, guys. That would just be the best, and I'll put them in one of the future episodes. Yay! See you guys next time. Bye-bye!
Hi Fuzzy, this is you and your friends. This is Fuzzy Puppet, this is Frizbee. Frizbee's my favourite, but one of these horns are down, one of them up, I'm so sorry. This is the Great Gergu. Thank you for all those videos. Bye! Hola Fuzzy, te deseo un dibujo. Te hablo de ópera de mi dibujo. Hola Fuzzy, soy Adriana y te estoy hablando de Argentina y soy uno de tus mayores fans. Siempre veo tus nuevos videos. Hola Fuzzy, te hice este dibujo y me gusta tu video con bloqueo y saludos desde Chile. Hello guys, it's joking, that's Clucks. So, we're gonna do it now. Hello guys, my name is T-Rex. And send me this video to you, Fuzzy Puppet. And this is my friend, Dog Pope. Yeah. He also talks like a people. Yeah, I can do walk. Yeah, bye. Bye. for the t-shirts, Fuzzy Puppet. Yeah! We also have a lot of toys too. Thanks for watching my show, guys. Hope to enjoy Fuzzy Puppet channel. Subscribe to Fuzzy Puppet channel. He got the most fuzzy. Check out Fuzzy Puppet YouTube channel. Don't forget to check his channels. I want to thank you for him for for being my best one fan, and also thanks for Fuzz.
With kids, and I just love it.
Mi nombre es Ian de la Ciudad de México. Me encanta mucho tu canal. Saludos. Te mando un beso. Hasta pronto.
And Jen, who are we looking at on your picture? And who is Fuzzy Puppet?
My favorite vegetable,
Yeah? What do you like about him?
because he's a funny vegetable and I really like his videos.
Hola, Fuzzy. Te hice un dibujo para vos. Este es Mario y este es el hongo, este es la princesa y este es Luigi.
I heard about your method in love. I got a happy birthday sign from my teacher at school.
I go honey, man. Fuzzy Puppet, honey now. I see Fuzzy, I like. I see Fuzzy en México. Y acá te dibujé a vos y acá me dibujé yo. Y acá soy yo. Hi, Fuzzy Puppet. I drew this picture for you. It's with you, me, under a rainbow. Hola, Fuzzy, soy Benja de Argentina. Tengo 7 años. Hi, Fuzzy Puppet. This is me, Jojo, and I made this whole thing for you. Here's yourself, Fuzzy Puppet, and the gingerbread man, and Buzz Lightyear, and Woody. La marioneta Fuzzy. Te quería enseñar este dibujo. Mi nombre es Axel González y soy de México. Te mando un abrazo.
Hi, kids. I'm gonna draw this watermelon. Do you guys like to draw? Drawing is so fun. Whoa! Whoa! What happened? Ooh! Maybe I'll draw this car instead. Drawing is fun. Do you guys have any hobbies? Write me in the comments and let me know. Drawing is fun.
Hey, guess what, kids? You can now watch the Fuzzy Puppet Show in many different languages, like French or German or Italian. So many languages. Click one of these squares to check it out, and make sure to subscribe while you're there. Yay!